go too far back.
Yeah, exactly. Wait. Oh fuck.
Something about her kept him.
Jesus, is he here already?
Yeah, don't let her get hurt.
Jesus Christ.
You know the final boss music shows up like this, it's going down.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh my god, look at him now.
She's doing.
She rewinds humans.
She rewinds humans.
Yo, Overhaul, man, look at what you did to yourself, bro.
Right.
She doesn't know how to turn it off. So I guess the one for 100% is kind of canceled out.
Can we rewind people?
Interesting. So she can rewind until Izuku doesn't have. Wait a minute. That's I have a thought in mind. Eri is OP. That's actually your OP, bro.
Oh my god.
She rewound him.
What? Like his memories are gone now though.
That's so broken.
Look at that. He can use 100%. This is the first time she hears this. Look at this. Come on. The permanent balance.
She should help All Might.
He's gonna just keep going on.
Oh yeah, okay, so then
Infinite 100%. Let's do what?
she can use it.
If you keep getting injured, she's gonna keep rewinding and it will be okay.
Alright, that's one way to use it.
No.
Yeah, you know, like
Oh my god, this is like
You look like a Super Saiyan, like Super Saiyan God for a second.
Is he about to get his house
He
handed to him?
100% uses the quirk.
Yeah.
But she had to willingly be able to give it over. That's one thing to act.
Rewinds back to the money.
God.
Rewinds back.
Of course, it's species.
Oh wow.
Mutated form.
Species, like unmutated.
Wow.
Interesting.
Make it a normal world.
Everyone back to that's so cool.
She can destroy the whole world's order.
That's amazing. Dude, look at that.
You don't know my true value, bro. I'm at a maximum
like a
efficiency
tank.
right now.
yeah, bro.
Interesting.
So Eri actually does have to regenerate.
He is.
Wow, look at
Yeah! You kicked him like a soccer ball! He's gone. Dang, Izuku, you're right.
Psycho.
She said, dang.
God.
One.
Oh,
Yo, that was a light
It's a Super Saiyan dead.
Damn. Tossed his ass up
She
in
can
the
make
air.
anyone rewind.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say that.
Alien rewind to...
She can rewind
He
humans.
doesn't even know how to control his movement.
Look at he's
He's
glowing.
getting stronger. Look at him. Look at Deku. He's like blue.
Yeah, so it can be controlled.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to use her power at all. So we just need to train Eri. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just show her how to use her quirk, and things will be okay. Honestly.
とa certain
喧嘩した
degree.
そうじゃねえか。相手は渋滞だってな。
Aw, he probably conflicting views on how to use power in Yakuza.
うちは認識すらしてない連中が増えて
He wants power.
る。見せしめにして存在をアピールしなきゃダメだ。
おめえ、俺に黙って新しいしのぎ始めた。
So that guy,
new
guy's
racket.
like
薬
done.
にあ手出
The
す。
leader. Remember, you saw him in a hospital bed. I bet
Right.
it.
But he
Chisaki
said
put
not
him
to
there.
get
Keep it
involved.
clean, keep
お
it
めえが
neat.
拾われた恩を返そうとしてんなわかる。だが、やりすぎなんだ。
You do always go too far,
俺
Overhaul.
の道から外れたことはすんじゃねえよ。
The air right now.
理想をなられるだけじゃ死に向く一方だ。なんでわからない親父。
This is his like
必ず実
his
現して
takeover of the Yakuza.
俺
I
の
forget that guy's name, but we saw him last episode?
発災会は
Put
必
this
ず
old guy out of
Yeah, he's a true
commission.
psychopath.
まずは
Yeah.
研究過程
He's the right hand, right? The right hand dude? Right hand man?
This is the early stages of the testing.
存在を匂わせ鬱陶しいヒーロー芸を無力化できる
Of all the power.
Or
So his ultimate plan was to just make all the heroes
完成
Human
品を
again.
高値で裁くそ
they'll have huge prices on it. Once nobody's
That
here,
rewinds
they'll
to a
pay
store because he can do
unlimited
Look
that.
at that.
Yeah.
Right.
Sell the serum to the hero.
Okay.
So see, they can make a serum.
Eri can do
That's
both.
good to know.
Okay.
Give the boost to the hero. Money.
Take away the quirks and then offer a cure.
This guy's not on board. He's like, stop.
Yeah, she's a person.
Yeah, so this guy didn't want him to do that shit to Eri. She is a person, bruh. Yo, you guys are animals.
That's it.
He's gonna torture her.
Like Eri is a little girl.
years.
Yeah, I was just about to say
So
that.
did he hurt the boss or?
Holy
He's the
god.
reason why. Yeah.
He's gonna kill the
Oh
old man.
no. Oh no,
I want to
dude.
repay you by killing you, right? Yeah, that's some logic.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, he kept
Well,
him.
I'm
I figured
Never
he
take
would
in three
have.
kids. What are you doing, guys?
He kept him in that state. He's gonna reverse it when he's like put them back on top.
計画が軌道に乗って俺たちが手がか
Right. He's
Right.
taken the game for a little while.
りしててくれよ
Such a messed up dude.
I had so many other theories.
We'll come back to repay you, old man. Once
He's
I've
not done.
This is the worst one.
got my way.
Yeah.
Why has he become? Fucking hell.
Susan over him.
The Aryan.
Yeah, the flying
Yeah.
So this is
Yo, this,
Deathwish
oh my gosh! What the heck? This is so cool!
Oh my god, look at that. This man's quirk. What? Yeah, you're not.
He's insane.
Yo, Izuku's on another level right now.
That was not
He's got my head color now.
Hella strong enough.
This is the come up.
basically fine. It's a bunch of jumps, so it's like
This is
airwall.
the come up.
This dude, Overhaul!
Fucking hell.
Get body! What is this? What? That was beautiful! Look at that!
Makes the thumbnail so good.
Holy shit!
Whoa!
Really good the past year.
Yes.
There's that animation.
The way he's like
This
getting
animation.
Finally, he took that off his face. I want to see your face, man.
Wow, that's over. It's over.
Tapped out.
Are you
That's
kidding?
over.
Astounding right now. That was
He got 100%.
that
We're not going to the round, are we?
what?
100%.
You don't want to get too excited. I get super itchy.
What?
Oh my god.
No.
I'm freaking. Have you guys seen?
Bro, what are you talking about? We just won.
No.
So this is gonna be the
Dude,
first
I
time
wrong.
his
Like,
Oh yeah.
look at it.
This gotta have a huge effect on him.
Nah.
That's Sasaki's
Oh,
face.
he just has a normal face.
He looks like a regular dude.
Did not see this.
Because future can be changed.
Changed it.
Wait, what does that mean then? Like, does that mean
Yes.
She changed the future.
Yes. Pretty much.
Yes, yes.
All Might doesn't
that
have to
means
die.
All Might's not gonna die. That can be changed.
Oh my
Live.
I mean, I feel like.
So, the future can be changed. This is so good, right? This is good, of course. But what I want to know is
Wow.
why did it
It's
change?
stylized.
That's what I think is the most important thing. Why did this future change
Wow,
compared to the
this was the
previous
episode.
one? What happened here differently compared to the future that night I saw? You know what I mean? What did we do differently? Because I don't know what changed for all this to happen. You know what I mean? I feel like that's very important to know.